When setting up a surveillance system, choosing the right approach is just as important as selecting the right cameras. In this guide, we'll walk you through 3 common approaches to setting up your system. Whether you're securing your home, business, or need a temporary solution, we'll help you understand which option is best for your needs. First, let's talk about cloud cameras. These systems are incredibly easy to set up. Just plug the camera into the socket and you're good to go. Once connected, you can access live streams and footage from anywhere using mobile or web apps. As the name suggests, the video feed is transmitted and stored in the cloud, specifically in the camera manufacturer's cloud service. But with that convenience, we run into a few drawbacks. Since the footage is stored online, cloud-based systems come with ongoing subscription costs. Plus, you're dependent on internet connectivity, which means no access to your video feed if your network is down. Another downside is vendor lock-in. If you want to expand your setup, you'll be limited to using cameras from the same manufacturer. Let's summarize. Pros: quick and easy setup, no complex installation required. Accessible from anywhere. View footage remotely via mobile or web apps. Automatic software updates. Always running the latest security patches. No local storage needed. Footage is stored in the cloud. Cons: locked into a single vendor, limited to specific hardware and software. Ongoing subscription costs. Monthly fees for cloud storage and access. Dependent on internet connectivity, no access if the network is down. Privacy concerns, data is stored on third-party servers. Can the cloud be yours? Absolutely. In this case, the NVR system takes the place of cloud storage, allowing you to keep video transmission and storage on your own server. The NVR surveillance setup assumes a separate device that you connect to your local network. Then, you connect all cameras to it. The video feed is transmitted and stored in the NVR, which is a kind of dedicated computer in the surveillance system. These systems store video locally, meaning you don't rely on cloud providers. They offer better video quality and reliability, even without internet access. However, NVR setups come with higher upfront costs, limited remote access, and you're still locked into a single vendor. Let's summarize. Pros: local storage, no reliance on cloud providers. Higher video quality, supports high-resolution recording without bandwidth limits. More reliable than cloud-based solutions, works even if the internet goes down. Expandable storage, can add hard drives for longer retention periods. Cons: vendor lock-in, only compatible with specific camera brands and systems. Higher upfront costs, requires dedicated hardware, NVR, hard drives, compatible cameras. Limited remote access, requires VPN or port forwarding for remote viewing. Physical security risk, if the NVR is stolen, all recordings are lost. Now, let's look at the third option. Can your computer act as the dedicated device so you don't have to spend extra money? Yes, that's possible with vendor-independent software like Banalytics. When set up on a PC, the software transforms it into an NVR. Unlike traditional NVR systems, this setup allows you to connect cameras from different manufacturers, provided they don't use closed protocols. With Banalytics, you get local storage without any cloud fees and all the essential monitoring features. Plus, you can access your footage remotely via any device using a browser, making it easier to monitor your system wherever you are. Let's summarize. Pros: works with cameras from different manufacturers, no vendor lock-in. Local storage with no mandatory cloud fees, privacy and security in your hands. Advanced features, real-time alerts, and video notifications in the Telegram Messenger. Remote access without complexity. View footage from anywhere without VPNs or special configurations. Scalable and cost-effective. Pay only for the features you use. Flexible deployment can be installed on existing hardware, laptops, desktops, or servers.
Cons.
Requires initial setup. Some configuration is needed for optimal performance. Depends on local hardware. Storage capacity is limited to your available disk space. Self-manage updates. No automatic software patches, like cloud solutions. Each surveillance solution has its pros and cons. The first option is the simplest, the second is the most reliable, and the third is the most cost-effective. So, which one should you choose? It all depends on your specific needs. We'll dive deeper into this in our upcoming videos. Subscribe to stay tuned.